Happy day, dear students. This is Algebraic Expressions Part 2. Divide the following. We are going to divide 5m power 3 minus 30m squared plus 45m by 5m. So the dividend has three terms. So it is called as trinomial, or three or more terms we can call it as polynomial by a single term, that is monomial. Divide each term of the expression by 5m. We get 5 and 5 gets cancelled. M to the power 3 divided by m, that means the power gets subtracted. N to the power 3 minus 1, we get m squared, and 6 5s are 30, and m to the power 2 minus 1, we get m. 9 5s are 45, and m to the power 1 and m to the power 1 gets cancelled, we get 9. Second problem, 8x squared y squared minus 6x y squared plus 10x squared y squared by 2xy. Divide the polynomial by 2xy, we get 4 times of 8, and the power gets subtracted, we get xy. So x and x gets cancelled, and y raised to the power of 2 minus 1, we get y, plus 5 times of 2 is 10, and x power 2 minus 1 we get x, and y to the power 2 minus 1 we get y. Given x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by a binomial, right? It has two terms, so it is called as binomial. X squared minus 4x plus 4 is divided by a binomial x minus 2. So what number I have to multiply in the quotient so that we get x squared as such in the dividend? Already it is x, so I have to multiply with another x. So I get x into x is x squared, and minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Change the sign. So this gets cancelled. By changing the sign, this x squared becomes minus x squared, and minus 2x becomes plus 2x. So this gets cancelled. Minus 4x plus 2x becomes minus 2x, and the next term we are bringing here plus 4. What number I have to multiply to get minus 2x plus 4? Right? So I have to multiply with minus 2, so that the first term when I multiply minus 2 into x becomes minus 2x. So multiply this term with a divisor, minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus into minus plus, 2 into 2 4. By change of sign, this minus 2x becomes plus, and plus 4 becomes minus. So we get the remainder as 0 and the quotient as x minus 2. So given a polynomial x squared plus 12x plus 35, we are dividing by x plus 7. What term I have to keep in the quotient so that we get x squared as such in the dividend? So x into x becomes x squared, and 7 into x becomes 7x. After subtraction, we get minus x squared and minus 7x. So x squared term gets cancelled. We get 12 minus 7x, we get 5x. And the next term is 35. What number I have to multiply to get 5x? Already x is here. I have to multiply with 5. So I add 5 over in the quotient. 5 into x, 5x. 7 into 5, 35. By change of sign, we get remainder as 0 and the quotient as x plus 5. Similarly, we are dividing the polynomial by 7x minus 9. The divisor is 7x minus 9. The dividend is 14x squared minus 53x plus 45. What number I have to multiply to get 14x squared? Already 7x is there. So x squared means I have to multiply another x and 2. So I get 14x squared minus 9 2s are 18x. So this gets cancelled by changing this sign. We get minus 53 plus 18. We get minus 35x plus 45. What number I have to add in the quotient so that I get minus 35? Already 7 is here. So 7 5s are 35. But I need minus. So put minus 5. Minus 5 into 7x becomes minus 35x. Minus into minus becomes plus. 9 5s are 45. By change of sign, this gets cancelled. The quotient, the remainder becomes 0 and the quotient is 2x minus 5. Find each of the following products. That means you are multiplying each term with each other term in the next expression. 4x multiplied by 4x and again this 4x multiplied by 5y. Take the next term 5y and multiply with each other term in the next products. Now 5y multiplied by 4x and 5y multiplied by 5y. We get 4x the whole square plus 2 into 4x into 5y plus 5y the whole square. That means 4x plus 5y the whole square. 7a plus 9b multiplied with 7a plus 9b, because they have a power of 1, they have a power of 1. When it gets multiplied, the power gets multiplied, power gets added, so it becomes 7a plus 9b to the power 2. Or we can write it elaborate in the way 7a into 7a, that is 49a squared. 7a into 9b, I get 63ab, and 9b into 7a is 63ab, and 9b into 9b is 81b squared. So this is of the form 7a plus 9b the whole square. The same kind of problem here, 5 by 6 a squared plus 2 and 5 by 6 a squared plus 2. You are multiplying each term with each other term in the next expression, and then you get 5 by a squared the whole squared, because you are multiplying 5 by 6 a squared with 5 by 6 a squared, and with 2 with 5 by 6 a squared, and again 5 by 6 a squared with 2, and again 2 with 2, 4. So 5 by 6 a squared power squared, and again 2ab plus b squared. So it is again 5 by 6 a squared plus 2 the whole square. This is of also the same form, 2 by 3x plus 4 by 5y. Again it is multiplied by the same term. So it is being multiplied twice. That means the power has 1. So this has power 1. The power has been added. So the answer is 2 by 3x plus 4 by 5y. The power gets added 1 plus 1, that is 2. 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y multiplied by 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y. After multiplying each term with each other term over here, 3 by 4x into 3 by 4x, and again 3 by 4x into minus 5 by 6y, and again minus 5 by 6y into 3 by 4x, and minus 5 by 6 into minus 5 by 6. That means minus into minus becomes plus, and 5 by 6y the whole square. And what would be the answer here? Here minus of the same term over here. That means this is minus 1 into this, here also minus 1 into this. The coefficients are added. So 2 times of 5 by 6y, 3 by 4x. So it is of the form 3 by 4x minus 5 by 6y raised to the power of. Expand the following. 8a plus 3b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. That is 64a squared plus 48ab plus 9b squared. Here the binomial has been squared. That is 7x plus 2y. Two terms, so it is called as binomial. It has been squared up. Now a squared, 7x squared. B squared, 2y squared, right? 2 into AB, 7x into 2y. 49x squared plus 28xy plus 4y squared.